Welcome student for today's lecture. Student, today we are going to see the next point of our topic, that is the mutation and the genetic code. We have seen that is the characteristics of the genetic code. So first we see that is what is meant by the mutation. Mutation means there is the sudden change, that is a heritable change in the DNA nucleotide or the nitrogen basis. So here due to the mutation, that is there is the change in the genotype of an organism takes place. Okay, so mutation means that is there is the sudden heritable change. So mutation means what? That is the sudden heritable change in the nucleotides or the nitrogen bases. So in the, if we see that is the structure of the DNA, there are the nitrogen bases or the nucleotides. So there is the sudden heritable change in the DNA, that is the nitrogen basis of the DNA, that is it's known as the mutation. So the mutation, that is it mainly takes place, that is in organism in which here there is the change in, there is the genotype, and also we can see the change in the phenotype. So what is means by the genotype? That is the genetic makeup or the genetic constitution of organism. It is known as the genotype. Phenotype, that is the external appearance of an organism. So if there be the change in the genotype, then ultimately there will be the change in the phenotype. So here due to the mutation, there will be the change in the genotype and phenotype, and due to which here we can see there is the evolution takes place. Evolution takes place. So here due to this mutation, that is the evolution takes place, that is here due to the change in the nucleotide base or the nucleotide sequence of the DNA. So see here, that is this change in the DNA sequence, it is mainly causes, that is the diversification. So diversification, so diversification causes means what? That is here the diversification means the mutation, it mainly results, that is the evolution, and evolution mainly results in the variation. सो देर इज द व्हॅरिएशन, म्हणजे आपल्याला जे काही अनुवंशिक जे काही कॅरेक्टर्स असतील तर ती आहे अशी व्यक्ती पुढे तयार न होता त्याच्यामध्ये डिफरंट, म्हणजे प्रत्येक ऑर्गॅनिझममध्ये, लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझममध्ये वेगवेगळे डिफरंट आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतील. दॅट इज द व्हॅरिएशन विच इट मेनली ऑकर्स. ओके, सो हियर द mutation which causes the evolution, and the evolution it mainly causes, that is the variation. Okay, and it is nothing but the diversification. So here today we see that is the mutation. Mutation means that is there is the heritable change in the DNA sequence, DNA, that is the nitrogen basis of the DNA, and here the mutation it mainly takes place, that is due to the two processes, that is one is the deletion of the nitrogen base pair or the insertion of the nucleotides. म्हणजे इथं डिलिशन, एखादा न्यूक्लिओटाइड डिलीट होऊ शकतो किंवा एखादा न्यूक्लिओटाइड त्याच्यामध्ये इन्सर्ट होऊ शकतो. अँड ड्यू टू these two methods, that is the mutation takes place. So see, that is here what is mean by the deletion. Deletion, that is mutation due to loss of nucleotide. So first see that is the deletion. Deletion means that is a mutation due to loss of nucleotides. And insertion means it is due to the gain of nucleotide. Insertion means it is due to the gain of nucleotide. So here see that is here how the mutation takes place, that is by the process that is the deletion and the insertion. So there is one concept that is about the point mutation. So here the point mutation, so what is mean by the point mutation? So the mutation which mainly takes place, that is due to the change in the base pair of DNA. That is, it is due to change in single pair of nitrogen base. म्हणजे इथं न्यूक्लियोटाइड बेस किंवा नायट्रोजन बेस पेअर त्याच्यामध्ये सिंगल पेअर हा जर बदल झाला, हा जर चेंज झाला, तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो इथं पॉइंट म्युटेशन. सो पॉइंट म्युटेशन मीन्स व्हॉट, दॅट इज म्युटेशन ड्यू टू द चेंज इन सिंगल बेस पेअर ऑफ द DNA. Okay, due to change in single base pair of DNA. That is known as the point mutation. Okay, so see that is mutation takes place by the due to the two steps or the process, that is the deletion and the insertion. मग डिलिशन आणि इन्सर्शन या दोन स्टेप्स जरी असल्या तरी पॉइंट म्युटेशन हा कन्सेप्ट काय आहे, तर सिंगल बेस पेअर जर डिलीट झाला किंवा इन्सर्शन झालं त्याचं, त्यामुळे होणारं म्युटेशन त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं, पॉइंट म्युटेशन. Okay, then next see that is about how the mutation takes place. That is see one example, that is about the sickle cell anemia. In case of the sickle cell anemia, see that is here what happens, that is in the sickle cell anemia here normal gene which is responsible for the formation of normal gene, that is the HBA gene. The normal gene, that is the HBA, it mainly responsible for the formation of the normal hemoglobin protein. And if we see that is how the normal hemoglobin protein is produced, so see that is the normal HBA gene, see here, that is the DNA sequence of the normal gene, and here the nitrogen bases, these are mainly the GAG. It is the nitrogen base which is present on the normal DNA. So here the complementary, that is guanine pairs with the cytosine, then adenine pairs with the thymine, and here will be the cytosine, that is here it is the normal gene. And here mRNA which is synthesized from this DNA, that is the mRNA, which mainly synthesize, that is having the nitrogen base, that is at the on this mRNA complementary to this, that is the structural gene, that is the GAG, structural gene, that is the GAG. And this structural gene, it mainly code for the amino acid, that is the glutamate. This amino acid is the glutamate. So there is the chain of the amino acid, that is the normal hemoglobin protein. So it is formation of the normal hemoglobin protein, and here the glutamate, it is mainly responsible, that is the amino acid is responsible. But here that is, it is due to the normal gene, that is the HbA gene. So if the sickle cell gene, that is the sickle cell gene, it is the HbS, sickle cell gene is the HbS, and this sickle cell gene, it mainly responsible for the sickle cell anemia. So see, that is here in this gene, that is there is the change in the nucleotide base pair. So see, that is here how the change takes place, that is there is the DNA. So see, that is here the DNA, and it is having the nitrogen base, that is normal gene having the GAC, while here there is the GTG. There is the GTG, that is the normal uh, sickle cell anemia. So there is the change in the nucleotide. Okay. So if there is the GTG, then here there are the complementary CAC. There are the complementary nitrogen bases, that is the CAC. So it is the DNA molecule, and that is for the HbS. Here is the DNA. Okay, so see, that is here what happens. So here from this the mRNA which is synthesized. So here see here mRNA, and this mRNA it mainly synthesized having the last, that is the GUG, that is complementary nitrogen to the adenine is the nitrogen base pair, that is the uracil. So here there is the formation of the codon, that is the GUG codon is mainly synthesized. So see here from this mRNA the protein which is synthesized having the amino acid, that is the valine. Why? Because there is the GUG codon, and this GUG codon it mainly codes, that is the amino acid valine. So there is the amino acid chain. So due to the valine, there is the addition of the valine. Okay, so here the normal hemoglobin protein is not produced. There is the not formation of the normal hemoglobin protein. So here it is due to the insertion of the valine. So there is the peptide chain which is produced. It is the HbS peptide chain. It is the HbS peptide chain. See, that is here it is due to the point mutation, that is there is a change in the one nitrogen or the nucleotide base. Okay, so here there is a change in the nucleotide base. Here the in place of the glutamate there is the addition of the valine takes place, and due to which here the normal hemoglobin protein is not produced, but there is the formation of the HbS peptide, and due to which here the sickle cell anemia producing protein which is produced. Okay, so it is about the example, that is the sickle cell anemia. So here this HbS protein it mainly not responsible for the normal hemoglobin protein. Okay, so it is the example, that is the sickle cell anemia. Then next that is about what is about the frame of the genetic code. Next concept, see, that is about the frame of genetic code. So, how the frame of genetic code that is uh, produced, that is, it is mainly due to the insertion of the nitrogen base or due to the deletion of the nitrogen base. So, see, that is, first see here the example, that is there are the nitrogen bases, that is the ATG, that is the one codon, then another codon, that is the GCG, then next codon, that is the CCT. Okay, so these are the codons which are present, that is so if there is the insertion of the one nitrogen base in between the first two codons, if there is the insertion of any one nitrogen base in between the first codon, so how the change takes place? So first two codons, that is it is the first codon, second codon, third codon, like this. If there is the insertion of one nitrogen base. So any one nitrogen base, for example, if there is the insertion of the adenine nitrogen base, okay, in between the two codons, so there are the formation of ATG, then here the adenine is added here, so here there is the another codon which is produced AGC, okay, AGC, then the next codon, that is the GCC, and there is the remaining, that is the thymine codon. Okay, so see, that is here due to this addition of this adenine, there is the change in the codons. Okay, so it is due to the insertion of one or the two codon, that is there is the change in the codon, one or the two nitrogen base. Okay, so if we add the another nitrogen base, that is the two nitrogen bases, two nitrogen bases are added, that is here if we added, that is the adenine, then in between these two if we added, that is the cytosine, then what will be occur, that is the here the first codon which remain as it is, that is the ATG, then there are the addition of the cytosine and here is the addition of the adenine. So okay, so here the cytosine, then adenine, then here will be the guanine, then here will be the CGC, and here there is the CT will be remain. So there is due to the addition or insertion of the another nitrogen base, that is the cytosine, there is again the change in the codons of the RNA. So if we see, that is it is due to the addition, okay, so if we there is the deletion of the codons, okay, so it is the due to the insertion म्हणू आपण insertion. If we see, that is due to the deletion of the nitrogen bases or the nucleotide. If there is the deletion of nucleotide takes place, so what will be the happen? That is the DNA nucleotide sequence, that is if see here the ATG, then there is the GCG, then there will be the CCT. So if there is the deletion of any nucleotide, that is suppose here is the guanine is deleted, then what will be the nitrogen bases, that is ATG, then here is it is deleted, so GCC and CT will be remain as it. That is here due to the deletion there is the change in the nucleotide sequence or the codons. So here the codons which are changed, and these codons which specifies the amino acid will be the change. Okay, so it is due to the addition and the deletion of the one or the two nitrogen bases. म्हणजे इथं बघा एक नायट्रोजन बेस ॲड झाला, इथं दोन नायट्रोजन बेसेस ॲड झाले, ठीक आहे, किंवा इथं एक नायट्रोजन बेस डिलीट झाला किंवा दोन नायट्रोजन बेस डिलीट झाले, तरी कोडॉन्स कसे तयार होतील. आता इथं आपण दोन डिलीट करू म्हणजे काय होईल, इफ देर इज द टू नायट्रोजन बेसेस डिलीटेड, deletion of the two nitrogen bases. So what will be there, A, T, G first असेल. So first two will be the GCT, second that is the GCC, and here will be the T will be the remain. Okay, so there is the due to the deletion. आता हे झालं दोन नायट्रोजन बेस किंवा एक नायट्रोजन बेस जर आपण ॲड केला किंवा डिलीट केला. इफ वी ॲडेड द थ्री नायट्रोजन बेसेस, म्हणजे समजा याच्यामध्ये आपण थ्री नायट्रोजन बेसेस जर ॲड केले, सो देर विल बी द नो चेंज. दॅट इज हियर द थ्री सिक्वेन्शियल नायट्रोजन बेसेस इज नथिंग बट द कोडॉन. Okay, so here the complete codon will be added. So here when the insertion or the deletion of the three nitrogen bases, and that is the multiple of the three nitrogen bases. See, that is here. If we add here the three nitrogen base, that is for example a CCG. So if we add here, that is the insertion of three nitrogen base, that is for example CCG. If we add here, so see that is how will be the sequence, that is the ATG, and then another second that is the GGC. Okay, then here the GCG, then CCT. So here that is these codons which remains as it is, that is the codons are not altered, codons are not altered, but here due to the deletion of the nitrogen base and due to the insertion of the nitrogen base, the codons are altered. Okay, but here due to the insertion or the deletion due to the insertion of the three nitrogen bases, that is one codon, the codons are not altered, that is they remain unaltered form, they remain unaltered form. They remain unaltered form. Okay, so here from the point of deletion and insertion, there is no change in the frame of the genetic code, that is the genetic code remain the unaltered, that is the at that the unaltered form of the. Okay, so it is about the mutation and the genetic code. So in the mutation, that is there is the change in the sudden change in the nucleotide base of the DNA, there is the heritable change म्हणू आपण, आणि त्याच्यामुळे जे काही म्युटेशन होतं, this mutation that is mainly causes due to the insertion of the nucleotide or the deletion of the nucleotide. So today we have seen that is the how the insertion of the nucleotides takes place and how the deletion of the nucleotide takes place. Okay student, so today we stop here.